I'm going to make 2 bowls using cement and a single tea towel that I cut in half. When choosing the towel, pay attention to the texture. Certain towels will give a pilly or fuzzy look, but a texture more like this one that I'm using or flannel won't show through as much. First, I cut each piece into a circular shape. Now I'm going to mix my cement. I didn't measure anything out here, I just made it really runny. It's sort of a paint-like consistency. Once the cement was ready, I soaked the cloth into the cement, mixing it around. Make sure you mix it in well and open up the towel inside so it all gets fully coated. Then I draped the towels over my containers. I was planning to line my containers with a plastic bag to prevent the cement from sticking to it, but I completely forgot. It worked out okay though, they popped off pretty easily. And your bowl will take the form of whatever container you're using, so you can play around with this. Just make sure that when you drape it, your towel doesn't touch the bottom. Otherwise, when it's covered in cement, it might stick to the surface. At this point, I painted on more cement just to give it better coverage. I'm using a product called Cement All, which says it sets in 1 hour. But I made mine really runny, so I'm going to give it a couple of hours. Hey guys, okay, while we're waiting for these to set, I thought I'd just pop in and introduce myself. My name's Amber and I love all things home DIY, so if that's something you're interested in too, then please go ahead and subscribe so you can catch future videos. Okay, let's get back into it. Once the cement dries, you can remove the containers. At this point, I painted on more cement just to give it better coverage. Cut any towel fibers that are showing through along the edges. Now I'm going to paint mine white. You can leave yours as is, but I think the white will suit my home pretty well and look really elegant, so I wanted to give it a try. And this is how they turned out. It was such an easy, fun project. I also think that this would make a really nice gift for someone. I'm curious to know what you think. Please let me know in the comments below, and please subscribe for more home DIY content. See you on the next one.